Hi, in this video we will see how to manage your WordPress hosting package in your client area dashboard. Let's go into the video. Search SeekaHost India in your browser and click SeekaHost India page. After entering into SeekaHost India, kindly click Login page. In this login page, kindly enter your login details and click Login option. After entering into client area dashboard, kindly click on Services option. Here it will show you your active packages list. Kindly click on Manage option. Here it will show you package information details. Here you can install your WordPress directly. Kindly enter your WordPress title and admin password and click on Install. It will install your WordPress successfully. Next one, quick shortcuts. It will show you cPanel shortcuts to edit or change your domain configurations. Next one, email accounts. Here you can create your email as well. Enter your email address and password and click create. It should create your email account successfully. Next, billing overview. Here you can check your billing details. Next, domains. Here you can check the configured domain name for your package. And next, additional information. Here you can check your WordPress details. Next, actions. Here, log into cPanel. Click on to log into cPanel. It will log into your cPanel directly. Next option will be log into webmail. It will take you to webmail page. Here you can enter your email address and password and click login. Next one, change password. Here you can change your cPanel password for your domain. Just enter a new password or click generate password and click to save changes. Next, request cancellation. In request cancellation, you can apply cancellation request for your package. I hope you enjoyed it. Kindly like, comment and share. For more informative videos, kindly subscribe our channel. Thank you.